Welcome to Aegis Fret House Lesson 1 of Guitar Basics. And I am Ajinkya Desai. Let us first understand guitar structure. So, basically, guitar has 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every string has a name. First is E, second is B, third is G, fourth is D, fifth is A, and sixth E again. E, B, G, D, A, E. Simple. The easiest way to understand, you can make your own sentence or you can copy my sentence. It's everybody gets dull after eating. So every buddy B gets G, dull D after A, and eating E. So there are two E's, E and E. The first E is high, ऊंचा. The last E is low, नीचा. Okay. Moving ahead. These are called frets. Guitar frets. People mostly call them fretboard. We are going to call them as frets. Okay. Between these two bars. Okay. These are frets. This is a fret mark. It's just to show fret numbers, nothing else. Basically, guitars को like third fret से शुरू होता है. Like this guitar has from 5th fret. Some guitars have from 7th, and some guitars don't have fret marks. So these are not so important. Right? This is a sound hole. Bridge, tuning keys. Yes, I would like to mention one thing. इसको तब तक हाथ नहीं लगाना जब तक आपको ट्यून करना आता नहीं है. Okay, fine. Okay, what am I missing? Yeah, this is a pickguard. It's just to protect your guitar from getting scratches while you play strum. तो ऐसे scratches आ सकते हैं, तो इसीलिए वो pickguard होता है. Okay, yeah, pickguard से याद है. This is called a pick, or you can call it as a plectrum. Most easiest is pick. Okay. First of all, हम सीखेंगे pick को कैसे पकड़ते हैं. Okay, index finger. Can you see my index finger? Yeah. उसके ऊपर pick को place करना है. Fold your index finger, then place your thumb like this. You can see. Yeah, nice. अभी thumb और index finger को ऐसे split करना है. Yeah, nice. See, it's almost 180 degree. Yeah, obtuse angle. ऐसे. Right, fine. और ये गिरना नहीं चाहिए हाथ से. It should never, ever fall. Okay, भूकंप आ जाए, earthquake आ जाए, सुनामी आ जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, गिरना नहीं चाहिए हाथ से. Understand? Okay, let us start with something very easy. Okay, top string. I just want you to play down, up, down, up. So down, नीचे, up, ऊपर. Okay, down and then up. And now I want you to play the next string. Down, up, and then go down more, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So play each and every string. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, try this at least 20-30 times, perhaps. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and after you try playing 20-30 times, then you can try without looking at those strings. मतलब इधर उधर देखो, लेकिन string की तरफ मत देखो, and can play down, up, down, up, down, and then come up again. Okay, try this like for 40 times. Okay, I hope you would try. And after that, we are going to use our left hand. Basically, I am telling those with right-handed guitars people. Okay, lefty guitars लोगों का गिटार उल्टा होता है like this. Okay, तो वो completely change हो जाता है. The strings also go upside down. But unfortunately, ये दुनिया राइटी लोगों की है. क्या करें? I would prefer, if you are lefty, I would prefer, and if you are completely new to guitar, I would prefer you should buy a righty guitar than lefty guitar. वो आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. Okay, the next lesson, I hope कि आपने 40 times किया होगा बिना देख के. And next lesson, using your left hand, okay, index finger right on top string, okay, press harder as you can, and yes, in progress आपका thumb ऐसा straight होना चाहिए. See, if you can see my thumb, it's straight, okay, और index finger ऐसे, and कुछ लोग ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, it's like kind of ऐसे and like this, कुछ भी कर दे, I don't know. I want you to keep your thumb and index finger right like this. If you can see the gap between my fingers, okay, and give a down stroke. Yeah, now the second step, without moving your index finger, place your second finger on second fret of same string. मतलब ऊपर के ही string के ऊपर ऊपर के ही string के ऊपर अपना second finger रखना है of second fret. Okay, mind you, this is first fret and this is second fret. First fret, second fret. तो index यहाँ पे होगा and second finger यहाँ पे, and play an up stroke. Okay, up. See, don't get confused between up and down. I've seen most of the people down बोला तो ऐसे करते, up बोला तो ऐसे करते. So down will be down and up will be up. So index finger right here down, then your middle finger on second fret is up. Okay, see, if you have done this, now without moving your two fingers, which is index and middle, place your third finger on third fret of same string, obviously, and play down again. See, if you are done playing this, and if it's very easy for you, then try and go for fourth finger on fourth fret of same string and up. So yes, you understand, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, mind you, ये बहुत जोर से दबाना है, जोर से प्रेस करना है. I don't want you to like ऐसे म्यूट नहीं आवाज आना चाहिए ऐसे. It should sound like this. Okay, see, while playing, some of you might have problem. कुछ लोगों का fingers ऐसे हो जाए, ऐसे हो जाए. See, अपना कभी भी wrist के ऊपर ध्यान देना है. Wrist. See, this is wrist. इसके ऊपर ध्यान देना है. वो हमेशा इस तरह होना चाहिए, ऐसे आगे, like this, like a claw, yeah, claw, yo, okay, इस तरह होना चाहिए, तो ही आपको हेल्प होगी. अगर आप रिस्ट ऐसे रखेंगे, काइंड सम पीपल ऐसे शोल्डर लिफ्ट करते हैं, वो ऐसे कुछ तो करते हैं, इट्स कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. ओके, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क और हेल्प यू इन फ्यूचर. ओके, इंडेक्स फिंगर डाउन, middle finger up, ring finger down, little finger up. Okay, try this on each and every string. And then come up. Okay, simple as that. Okay, after you're done, I am sure कि आपको यहाँ पे पेन होगा, right here, and then it might pain over here, kind of. Also, obviously, आपके fingers वो भी pain करेंगे. If it's paining, then you are on the right track. If it's not, तो फिर आप गलत बजा रहे हो. Okay, it should pain. If it's your first class, it should pain. Okay. That's all for today, folks. We'll start with chords in our next lesson. Please click on like if you understood and liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy guitar learning to all. Meet you all in next video. Thank you.